it's Anna. Bienvenidos otra vez a mi canal. If you are new here, then welcome. This is obviously going to be a makeup get ready with me. This is going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I am recreating a look that I had done before in my, what was it? A thrift haul, I think it was. I liked it better that day, I feel like, but I could not remember how I did it because I did it so fast that day. And then today to sit down and recreate it was difficult, okay? So this might not look exactly how it was in that video, but I'm still happy with the way it came out. I do really like this palette. Not really much to say. Let's just get into the makeup. The first thing I'm gonna do is go in with my Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder. Put this under my eyes so that we don't mess up our concealer with any fallout. Kind of skipping right under my eyelid just so that I can go in with my bottom color. So I'm gonna go in first with this color right here in Unity, and I'm just gonna place that like all over my lid because I didn't use a primer, so I'm just gonna use this kind of like our primer. It's like so pigmented, look at that. The other end of the brush that comes with the palette, I'm gonna go in with this in the color Lure. Just start placing that right in my crease. And I'm gonna bring this out. We're doing another pointy look. That's just the shape that I've been going for lately. I don't know why. We don't need this to be like too dark because we're gonna go in with a different color in the crease also. I like to apply it to the outer corner first, then just kind of bring in the rest. And then I just kind of tilt my head to the side to get that nice like corner. So that you're just like dragging it as you turn your head. My eye socket is a little bit uneven because when I was younger, I fell on the ice skating in my backyard, which is not a good smart thing to do because it's bumpy, and I got a black eye from falling on the ice. So I'm gonna go in with Eden. We're just gonna kind of go over that same spot because I actually think I didn't use that first color the other time. So really lightly, because actually I go in with this color right here in Saturn. There we go. This one I'm actually pulling down a little bit under the other color because I didn't want this one to stick out too much at the top of the green that we're gonna use. I'm not getting any fallout. I'm getting a little bit of kickback on the palette, but it's like not bad at all. I'm gonna take just the other end of this brush that's in here again, brown color right here in Parallel, and I'm just gonna focus this and make kind of like that V shape on our outer corner. So I'm gonna go on the bottom lash line. It's so pigmented. And then just kind of pull this up and make like that wing. But I'm also gonna pull this in the outer corner on the top lid. There's the fallout. And once we have it there, I'm just gonna turn this brush over and just kind of blend it out slightly. And then I'm pulling this upward into the crease just a little bit, but I'm not going in too far. And I'm going below the orange color, if you can kind of see that. Like I'm staying below the orange color. And then again, just taking the other end of the brush and making sure it's blended. So now the same thing on the other eye, obviously. Why am I getting this? Oh, why does this always happen with the sun? Little teeny cracks, it'll come in. I'm gonna grab a different brush. It's just a flat brush to really pack on the color. I feel like for these shimmery powders, this is the BH Cosmetics 102 brush. I go in with this color in Throne, and we're just gonna place that all over the lid. They're kind of like a more wet formula. It's really weird. I'm just gonna pack that all over my lid. And this one though, I think did have fallout because it's so glittery. These also actually pack on really well with your fingers, so I might have to do that. This brush is fine too, but it's like, I feel like they just go on better. I'm going right with the shape of my crease. I'm going slightly to the outer corner, but I'm not going all the way into our like little point on the eye. We're gonna blend out the outer corner a little bit more. Wow, and if you wipe your finger like in your little clean sweep, it'll come right off. Just saying. I'm doing like a mixture of like patting this color in and also dragging it to blend it together. So this one went up a little bit higher, but that's okay because we're gonna go back in and blend slightly. I'm gonna go back in with this orangey color in Saturn, and we're just gonna kind of put that on the top edge again to kind of blend everything together. I just really want that nice pretty orange color on the edge. I don't really like how the corner is looking. I'm going to go back in with this brown in parallel, just on the outer corner with the fluffy part of the brush again. Again, staying below the orange color. I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner also, so I'm not too worried about what the corner looks like. I'm going to find a fluffy brush and just kind of clean this off. I'm going to dip back into this color right here in Unity, just really lightly. Make sure I kind of tap it off. I'm going to go around the edges. Let's not get that fallout all over. I'm just going to brush that away right now because we got a lot of fallout from that green. I'm gonna go in actually with the e.l.f. cream eyeliner in the color black. Just using a little teeny tiny brush that used to come with them. I don't know if it still comes with these. Do a really dramatic winged liner on the top. Do they look even? I think I'm going to deepen up the brown color just a little bit on the outer corner on the bottom lash line. So I'm going to go back in with Parallel, kind of blend out slightly the bottom of the liner that we just did. So it's not like so harsh like black liner. And also because they're not perfectly the same shape. And then I'm just flipping the brush around. I'm blending it. We're done with the green. Bye bye bake. And let's hope I don't have this all over. Not too bad, but I do have this green on the inner corner where I don't want it, but that's fine. For liner on our bottom lash line, I'm gonna go in with Physicians Formula eyeliner. This is their Glide On Gel eyeliner. It is in the color Champagne. I really like these eyeliners. They're kind of pricey. Go right up until the brown part. I'm not gonna go all the way to the outer corner with this. I want the outer corner to stay really nice and dark and smoky. And I'm pulling this pretty far down also. We're gonna go in with this pretty lime green color. We're gonna go in with Sphere. I'm just gonna place that right on top where we just put the eyeliner. This is kind of chalky, but I feel like for like a neon color, they usually kind of are. There we go. Woo! Yeah, but so you definitely have to go over it a few times, I feel, to really like build it up nicely to that bright color. And again, I'm stopping kind of at the brown. Clean this off a little bit so there's no neon. I'm gonna go back in, so many times into this brown color. Go back into Parallel with that same brush. And again, I'm just gonna focus this on the outer corner, mainly just to blend that a little bit more because I took it a little further than I wanted to. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And for our falsies today, I'm just gonna be using the Eye Lure. This is the Vlogger series. These are the ones by Ann Lee. These are the So Fancy ones. I really like these. I love Eye Lure lashes in general, but especially the Vlogger series. I feel like these are really nice. I'm gonna throw these on really fast and then I will be right back. Do the lashes on, and then I actually went back in again with the brown, just a little bit more on the bottom lash line, just to make a better shape, I guess. I still like the shape of the whole corner of this one better. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. This isn't my favorite, but I don't really hate it either. I'm just gonna use this to kind of blend my lashes together. I'm one of the people that apply mascara after my false lashes. This one is not even on. Like, look, it's not even on. That is so annoying. And then I'm gonna add it to the bottom lash line as well. I'm gonna go in a little bit lighter where it's green because I don't want to cover up that pretty green color, but I'm gonna go in pretty heavy on the outer corner. For the blush, I'm just gonna go in with this Beach Cosmetics Glamorous Blush. I'm gonna go in maybe with this one and a little bit of this one mixed in. Highlight, obviously I'm going to stick with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to go in with this Glow Kit. Sugar Glow Kit. This is going to be my first time actually using this palette. I think I'm going to go in with kind of like a mixture of butterscotch and marshmallow. And now for our lips, I'm gonna first overline my lips with this NYC color. Where can you even get NYC products from anymore? I don't know, I like it. It's the lip liner pencil in the color, all I see is 954A. Los Labios. And this color is like perfect. It's like a my lip color, but better. And I always fill in this inner part of my lip also too, so that there's not like that weird harsh line. This color is so pretty. Oh my gosh, like look at this. I can't even deal. I'm gonna go over top of it with this Milani More Matte Lip Cream. This one is in the color Stunning. These just smell so good. Oh, love it. So that is everything for this makeup get ready with me today. I always love doing these for you guys because it gives me a chance to play with makeup, and it also kind of gives you my opinion and gives you guys a chance to see how they perform, how the products perform. Again, I'm really happy with the way this came out. I was a little bit iffy about it at one point. I was like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? Where are we going with this? Not gonna lie, trying to recreate this, but we got it together. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have picked up the Prism palette. Let me know your thoughts on it if you guys already have it or if you're planning on getting it. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Let me know if you guys want to see more makeup get ready with me video. And I hope if you have not yet, you subscribe to my channel. Also hit the little notification bell down below so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.